All right, what's up, guys? Welcome back. Today we're doing the first interior mod for this F30, and hopefully it's not gonna be a total fail. What I'm doing is actually upgrading the screen. It's really nice. It looks good, but I feel like there's so much space occupied by this plastic on the side. It could have been like a whole screen like that comes in the new models. And this car being 2015, it still has this old looking, screen. So I got a new one. This is a little bigger. So let's see if I could install it and make it work. All right. So first you got to remove this whole trim. It starts from all the way from here going down that way. But you got to be careful when you go down that way. When you pull that last part, it has to be like very gentle because it could easily break. It's very thin on that side. So when you start removing it, go slowly. Start from here and then go down. Just pull it out. It's not really that difficult. And then behind it, you just take out like two plug-ins. They're like behind these two buttons. And then there's two screws. When we get to that part, I'll show you. All right, so I got this out, pulled it out, but got the button out from here. But apparently this is pretty hard to take out. So I'm just gonna let it just hang and support it with my knee and try to take out the screen by loosening these screws over here. This is turning into almost a fail. So let's see what happens. These are the two. They look like stars. I don't even know if a normal screwdriver is gonna work in it, but it's worth a try. Let's see. All right, so that was a total failure. This is about a week later. I was about to return the new screen because it didn't work. It didn't even turn on. So I thought, you know what, let me just return it. And before that, I couldn't even get the screws out. I actually went to a workshop and tried to get it out, and he did it, and then we installed it and it didn't even turn on. And I was like, you know what, I'm returning it. This thing didn't even work, so I'm gonna return it. Turns out I did some research and found out that you have to code it in. So I found some codes online. So these are some of the codes. You have to put in these, you have to code this in from your Beamer code in order for the bigger screen to work. So I tried it again, took out my oldest screen and put the new one in, plugged it in before putting everything back again, and even the screws. I connected the VPeak and Bluetooth and coded these codes in, and voila, it worked. Check it out. Yep, this worked. That was satisfying. Yep. Everything works. It works perfectly. You just had to code these things in. This new screen is definitely looking nice. All right, guys, this is the final product. The screen is looking way better. It's not like I gained any horsepower or anything, but damn, I like the bigger screen. That old one looks so old. It's like outdated. I'm probably gonna sell it. If anyone wants it, you can contact me. Comment below. Maybe I'll just give it out to you for free. All right, catch you in the next one. Take care.